Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I will show you how to sell Hamster Kombat on Binance. Alright guys, so as you can see, I'm mining my Hamster Kombat over here. If you also have an account of Hamster Kombat, make sure that you mine more and more so that you can accumulate more income or more dollars when the coin goes live. Alright guys, so how to sell Hamster Kombat? What you're going to do is simple. When the coin goes live, as you can see, the coin is still yet not live. It's still yet not live. People are still mining. It hasn't yet launched, and the roadmap was shown up over here. And as you can see here, you have some airdrop tasks you can complete. All right, so but when it goes live, if you want to sell this coin, just head over to your Binance account over here like this. All right, and I'm assuming you have your Hamster Kombat coins in your Binance. So what you'll do is simple. Just come to convert over here. All right, so I'm assuming you have like 5 million Hamster Kombat. Tap on the drop down arrow here, then tap on the search bar here, then search for Hamster Kombat, and if it goes live, it will be around here. Okay, so you come and select it, then choose any coin you want. For my case, I'll choose USDT. All right, so then you just come and max over here, then convert your Hamster Kombat to USDT. All right, so after converting your Hamster Kombat to USDT, just come to peer-to-peer over here. So in the peer-to-peer section, come to the sell section there. All right, in the sell section, what you're going to do is simple. Remember, you converted your Hamster Kombat into USDT. So you're going to sell your USDT to someone over here. So I'm assuming you have like 10 USDT. Just come to the filter here, right? Then input the amount that is equivalent to 10 USDT. So for my case, in our currency, 10 USDT is equivalent to this amount over here, which is 30,000. So in the filter, I'll put that. Then I'll put in the payment method I want, Airtel Money. Then I'll confirm. So they'll bring for merchants who are buying this coin at this amount. Then just come here. Then you sell your USDT over there. All right, so after doing that, guys, you'd have sold your Hamster Kombat on Binance. All right, guys, so if you found value in this video, make sure to like and subscribe. Until next time, we shall meet.